Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Edalee for everyone that does not know me, and for today's video I'm going to be doing the wet look that a lot of celebrities do for red carpet events and stuff. I've always loved this look, but I always felt like it was so silly for someone to do it for like a regular day basis. I don't know, but lately I fell in love with this look, and I think when summertime comes around I'm going to be like wearing it casually because I really love it, honestly. Yeah, honestly I love it when celebrities do this hairstyle. I think it looks so sexy, so nice. It's almost like they're not even trying to look good, but they do. You know, it gives you like that effortless effect, which I love so much. I think that the point of this hairstyle really is to make your hair look not drenched wet but damp-ish wet while having it not frizz up or dry out. You want it to look as damp as possible for as long as possible. Okay, so let's get started, and I can't wait for you guys to see how I achieve this look. Okay, so my hair is dry right now. This is what it looks like. And the first thing I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna go and get it damp, and I'll be right back. So, got my hair wet. Now I'm just going to scrunch to try to form some waves. Now I'm just going to take a wave spray. You can use whichever one you want. This one is the Lazy Jane Wave Spray by Ava NYC. So I'm just going to give it a little shake. I love the sprayer on this one. Like, look how fine it comes out. This is just gonna help the waves form even more. Now I'm just going to take this gel by Alterna. This is my first time using gel, and I don't even know how long. I'm just gonna distribute it throughout my hands, and then I'm just gonna scrunch up. Okay, now that those products are in, I'm gonna go in with this lube. I got this lube off of Amazon, and last time I did this look I used up about half the bottle. So now I'm just gonna finish the rest of this bottle, and hopefully it's going to be enough. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a very generous amount. This is very slimy. I'm just gonna be very generous with it. Scrunch it up. Basically done. Yeah. Okay. This is the final result. This is my hair settled in after, I want to say, like half an hour already, and my hair still looks like this, and it's gonna be like this for a while. Eventually, will it completely dry out? Probably. I mean, if I stay like this for 24 hours, it's probably going to dry out. But it's definitely enough to have this look for the next few hours, which is great. But yeah, I just want it to be summertime so I can just rock this everywhere. I think it's so cute. I know, so like, I feel like this is the type of look where it's like, the girls that get it. The girls that don't. Because so many people think it looks so gross. But I like it. I don't know. I think it's so cute. I even like it on short-haired girls. You know those short-haired girls that just like slick it back and it's like straight and it's like this? That is so hot. If you have short hair, please do that. But I've shared this style on TikTok and Instagram before, and so many people want to comment saying, why don't you use coconut oil? Why don't you use baby oil? And the reason for that is because I really just don't like having to wash out oil. Having to wash out oil is such a pain in the butt. Like the products I use right now are all water-based, and those wash out so nicely, and they're just better for your hair. Honestly, it doesn't clog up your hair, so I just like it so much more for that reason. And then also, it's your wet hair look or oily hair look. Like they both look damp, you could say, and I know a lot of people like to prefer to use oil over water-based things, but at the end of the day, it's oily, not wet. It washes out more easily than pomade or oils or literally anything, so if you're worried about that, don't worry about that. So another reason why hairstylists will put lube instead of an oil-based product on hair for this look is really just because a lot of these celebrities are wearing very nice gowns and stuff, and sometimes oil is really going to stain your fabric, especially if what you're wearing is cotton. This is the final result, and thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Update, it has been 4 hours. I woke up from a nap, that's why I look crazy, but my hair still looks wet. It's just missing a little form because I've just been like lying down, but yeah, and it's not too frizzy, I would say. And then this pillow, and there does not appear to be a stain or anything.